Hello and welcome. Today, we'll explore LO2, understanding a range of graphical representations and data visualizations. Get ready to see how these tools turn complex data into clear, actionable insights. Bar charts use rectangular bars to depict data values. The length of each bar corresponds to the value it represents. They are ideal for comparing categorical data and showing frequency distributions. Ensure bars are evenly spaced and use a zero baseline for accuracy. Clearly, label axes and bars for clarity. Line graphs connect data points with lines to show changes over time. They are perfect for tracking trends and comparing multiple series. Use consistent scales and limit lines to avoid clutter. Highlight key trends with annotations. Line graphs excel in illustrating time series data. Pie charts show data as slices of a circle, each slice representing a proportion. They're used to display the composition of a whole. Limit slices to avoid clutter and ensure they sum to 100%. Use distinct colors for clarity. Pie charts are best for single data series. Histograms resemble bar charts but are for continuous data. They display data distribution by dividing it into bins. Choose bin sizes carefully to reveal patterns without overcomplicating. Label axes clearly and provide a scale. Histograms help identify central tendencies and data spread. Scatter plots use Cartesian coordinates to show relationships between variables. They help identify correlations and detect outliers. Use consistent scales and avoid overlapping points with transparency. Highlight trends with a line of best fit. Scatter plots reveal patterns in data. Box plots summarize data through quartiles, highlighting medians and outliers. They are useful for comparing distributions across categories. Clearly label quartiles and medians. Use side-by-side box plots for comparisons. Box plots illustrate data spread and central tendencies. Heat maps use color to represent data values, with intensity indicating magnitude. They show value concentration across variables. Use a clear color gradient and include a legend. Avoid bright colors to prevent overwhelm. Heat maps reveal patterns and correlations effectively. Tree maps display hierarchical data as nested rectangles. The size and color of each rectangle represent attributes. They show the composition of hierarchical data. Use consistent colors and clear labels. Tree maps make hierarchies discernible and comparisons easy. Line graphs are ideal for time series data, showing trends over time. The x-axis represents time, while the y-axis shows the measured variable. Set axes to cover the entire data range. Use readable time intervals for labels. Area charts also depict cumulative data over time. Bar charts effectively compare different categories. Categories are on the x-axis, values on the y-axis. Ensure the y-axis starts at 0 for accurate representation. Pie charts show proportions within a single data series. Label slices clearly with category names and percentages. Box plots summarize data distributions with quartiles and medians. They highlight potential outliers. Histograms display continuous data distribution by grouping into bins. Label bins and frequencies clearly. Box plots and histograms provide insights into data spread and central tendencies. Distinguish between independent and dependent variables on axes. Set axes limits to include all data points. Use scales that highlight data variations. Choose appropriate number formats for readability. Ensure labels and markers enhance data interpretation without clutter. Bar graphs display summary data like totals or averages. Vertical bars show changes over time or among categories. Horizontal bars rank or compare long category names. Stacked columns show category breakdowns. Use consistent bar widths and spacing for clarity. Line graphs are perfect for showing trends and fluctuations over time. They track changes in continuous data intervals, plot daily stock prices to illustrate trends. Line graphs reveal patterns in time series data. Use them to highlight significant data points. Pie charts illustrate proportions of a whole. Donut charts show budget distribution across departments. They are suitable for categorical variables. Ensure slices are labeled with names and percentages. Pie and donut charts effectively display data composition. In conclusion, leveraging these tools enables clearer insights and smarter decision-making, transforming complex data into impactful, easy-to-understand visuals. If you need any further information, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688. We look forward to welcoming you at the next session. Thank you.